So with a very a good cashback facility amount, you can enjoy all these services. So moving next, Z Bazaar Solution. Yeah, Z Bazaar Solution. Yeah, it's a online shopping portal platform from where you can buy the products, right? So what are the products? Yeah, quality products are there. There is a men's collection, baby kids collection, home and living. Yeah, women's collection. All the collections are here, which are in a basic need of a person, right? So quality products are there. You can buy it from here. It is on live. So COD facility is also available. Yeah, you can just firstly buy your products, and after receiving that product, you can pay it to the person. Next is refund policy. Yes, if there is an issue or you didn't like the product or is there anything, so a refund policy is also there. You can just fulfill the conditions, and policy is also there so that you can get your refund back. So download ZPay. Yeah, download the ZPay. How can a person can download the ZPay? Just go to the Google Play Store and type the ZPay there. Then definitely a app is open that is known as Pay. Just click on the install button and definitely the ZPay is installed in your mobile phone, right? Yeah, as you can see that 1 million plus downloaders are there. Yeah, ZPay is working and achieving the great. So in a very less time, ZPay is having the great family of 1 million person, right? So definitely we all are happy, and definitely I am giving you the best wishes to all the users who worked with the ZPay, who joined with the ZPay. So how to start ZPay business? Yeah, firstly you download the app, just click on the install button and the ZPay is installed in your mobile phone. So some pages create there. The first one is create account. So how you can create the account? You can create the account by entering the email ID. Yeah, everybody is having the email ID in their mobile phone. So just enter the email ID, your full name as per the documents. Yeah, your full name as per the document which is written in the documents, and the mobile number. Yeah, everybody is having the mobile number. So whatever the number you want to register in the ZPay, just write it that number. And so next is password. Yeah, here 6 digit password is written here, but right now 8 digit password is there. So there are some conditions for writing the passwords. Yeah, the capital letter is there, the small letter and the special character, right? Just like hashtag or at the rate. Along with that, you just write the password here, and after then click on that create account button. Then definitely a page is here in front of you. That is no login account. So for in the you can write the user ID. Yeah, ID is create known as user ID, and the mobile number. Yeah, mobile number. It is a very good facility. I can say that the ZPay is providing to the users, that if a person is forget their user ID, so that he or she can log in with the mobile number also, right? Enter the password and definitely click on that login button, and you are able to log in the ZPay app. So after login, the sign up bonus of 599 amount will be received by that person in their sign up bonus, right? So what's the benefit of this sign up bonus? So every recharge along with 1 rupee from the sign up bonus you received in your fund wallet, right? So next, free user, right? So after login with the account, free user services ZPay is also providing to that person who are free. And this is the commission chart, and the label is written here: mobile recharge, here DTH recharge, BPS, gas bill, water bill, insurance, loan and EMI. So in all these facilities, ZPay is providing some cashback or the commission to that service users. So ZPay is providing these services to the free users also, right? Free user. That means you are not going to invest any kind of money in the ZPay. But till then you are receiving the commission, right? So self-level mobile recharge. For after the mobile recharge, you receive the 2 rupees, right? In the first level, you receive the commission of 0.42%. In the second level, you receive the commission of 0.30%. In the third level, you receive the commission of 0.20%. In the fourth level, you receive the commission of 0.10%. And the fifth to 20th level, you receive the commission of 0.03%, right? So total commission received by the free user person is known as 2 rupees along with the commission of 1.5%. Yeah, this is the best service the ZPay is providing, that a free user person can also earn from the ZPay without investing a single rupee, right? So note is written here known as 50 transaction. Yeah, a person can do the 50 daily recharges are there. The first one is prepaid, then the second one is DTS recharge, and the maximum amount recharge is 1039. Yes, 1039 a person can earn, right? So yeah, a person can earn the level income according to their direct Nafla member in their team, right? So joining packages. So after listening the free user services, so the joining package is also there. If a person can join the ZPay, the first one is prime package and the second one is super prime package, right? So what's the difference between the super prime and the prime package? So the prime package is of 599 rupees and the super prime is of 1199 rupees. So after purchasing the package of 599, a person receives the ebook from which he or she can learn how to start this business or how can. And after the super prime package, a person pay the 1199 rupees, he or she can receive the ebook bundle, right? So these are the some courses here, or you can learn it from the here. How can you earn from this business? After the person mobile recharge, a person should receive the commission of 7%. T-Mobile recharge commission, yeah, if you're having the team of that person, then definitely you receive the commission of 1.5%. The direct referral commission, yeah, direct referral commission is also there if you refer the ZPay app to that person and you are active with that any package, either. Crores. Definitely, you see it here that 9 crores 76 lakh 56,250. Yeah, you are the crorepati here. You become the right. So royalty income. This is the daily income chart. Yes, that is giving the daily income to the persons who achieve their ranks, right? So some ranks are written here. That is bronze rank, silver, gold, platinum, topaz, ruby, and diamond. So what's the difference in these ranks? So first, if the person is having the 15 direct members in their team, so he or she is able to achieve the bronze rank, or I can say that he or she is a bronze rank holder or achiever, right? So for the bronze rank achiever, 2% daily royalty will be sent by the ZWIC to that person. For achieving the silver rank,
అదే
for
ఆడ
bronze,
ఇನ್ನು
yeah,
ఈ
you are
సర్వే
having the four
సర్వే ఇయర్
purchases
దగ్గరికి
team
రావాలి
along
కదా
with the
రెండు
30 members. So
రైట్ రైట్
1.5% of daily royalty will be received by that person. For the gold, yeah, 4 silver is there for achieving the gold rank along with a team of 150 members. So 1.75 royalty will be received by that person daily. So platinum, so for achieving the platinum rank, yeah, 4 gold is there, will be there in your team along with the team member of 750. So the royalty of 1.5% will be received by that person. So for the topaz, yes, you are having the 4 platinum in the direct along with a team of 3,750. So the royalty of 1.5% will be received by that person daily. So for the Ruby rank, 4 topaz, yes, you fulfill the 4 topaz along with a team of 18,750, so that 1.25% of daily royalty will be received by that person. So for the diamond, yes, for the diamond, 4 ruby along with a team of 93,750, so that the daily royalty income of 1% will be received by that person. Yeah, this is the power of the ZPay, that there are many types of income a person can earn from the ZPay, right? So monthly incentive, that means monthly chart, right? This is the income chart. A person should receive monthly. So ranks are written here: bronze, silver, gold, platinum, topaz, ruby, diamond. So for the bronze, 100 rupee of monthly incentive is there up to 5 months, so that the total incentive generated or total incentive received by that person is 500. For the silver, yeah, 200 monthly incentive is there for the silver, and it is given up to the duration of 9 months, so that the total incentive received by that person is 1800. So next is gold. Yeah, 750 amount of monthly incentive will be received by that person up to 2 years. Yeah, so that the 18,000 total incentive will be received by that person. So platinum, yeah, for the platinum, 4,500 rupee, right? Monthly incentive will be received by that person up to 5 years, so that the total incentive generated is 2,70,000. For the topaz, yes, 18,750 monthly incentive will be received by that person to achieve this topaz rank up to 9 years, so that 18 lakh total incentive will be received by that person from this ZPay company. For the ruby rank, yes, 78,125 incentive. Monthly incentive will be received by that person up to duration of 12 years. Yes. So the total incentive generated is 1,12,50,000, right? And yeah, the diamond one, the monthly incentive is 3,12,500 up to 18 years. Yeah, a person should receive this such a big amount up to 18 years, so that the total incentive received by that person from the ZPay is 6,75 lakh. Yeah, it's a very big amount. It's a monthly incentive a person should receive from the ZPay company. Yes, it's a type of income, so that a person should receive this type of income from the ZPay, right? So emergency fund, yeah, emergency fund. It's a very good facility which is provided by the ZPay to the users. The first one is Atul Bandhan, second one is financial support, and the third one is company events and management, right? So starting from the Atul Bandhan fund, yeah, as you can see that 5%, 5%, 5% is written here. So that starting from the Atul Bandhan fund, yeah, Atul Bandhan fund is a kind of fund a company is providing to that person whose ID is at least 3 months old, and he or she will achieve their bronze rank. Yes. So what's the benefit of this? The benefit of this is the facility a company is providing to that person of the real daughter of the sister marriage. Yes, company is providing the 5% to that persons of the real daughter of the sister marriage in the from the emergency fund, right? Financial support, yeah, if anything mishappens to that person who is a user or who is a rank holder of this ZPay, so company is providing the 5% of the financial support to that person's family, yeah, to the blood relation of that person. A small condition is written here: the ID should be at least 3 months old, right? And the person should at least achieve their bronze level. Yeah. And the third one is company events and management. Yeah, company events and management. From time to time, that is organizing the company event and management. So company is taking the 5% from the emergency fund from that to organize these company events and management. So franchisee module, yes, each and every person is also having the dream, so that just uh, they can just having the franchisee of that ZPay, so that they can run the ZPay, right? So definitely, as soon as possible, the franchisee module should be there in each and every state of our country. Yeah, of our country, and definitely all of them should achieve this franchisee if you are fulfill the conditions and all. So moving forward, money plant bonus income, yeah, this one is coming soon, and definitely, I think up to the last of this year, the money plant bonus should be in working, right? So definitely it's a plan so that a person can earn more and more money from that ZPay. Yes, so that you can fulfill your dreams in a very second. I can say that yes. So it's a very very good platform of ZPay, and the money plant is the more many more very big facilities so that the user can earn more and more, so that he or she should achieve their dreams and fulfill their dreams, their family dreams, their right. So yeah, bronze rank. So what's the benefit after scoring or after achieving the bronze rank? So after scoring or achieving the bronze rank, the person should receive the I-card. Yeah, you are the having the identity card of the ZPay along with the T-shirt of the ZPay. Yeah, as you can see, that seminar is written here. Yeah, in your state or the nearby state, if the seminar is there, then definitely you score the rank of the branch, then definitely you will visit there. So that the company is providing you the I-card along with a T-shirt, right? So 2% daily royalty. 2% daily royalty will be received by that person of the branch rank holder. Next one is monthly incentive. So monthly incentive of 100 rupees up to 5 months will be received by that person. Yeah, this is the benefit after scoring or after achieving the bronze rank. So silver rank. So after achieving the silver rank, a smartphone fund down payment of 8,000 rupees will be received by that person from that ZPay company. Yes. So 2,000 rupees each and every month will be given into the 4 parts, right? So domestic trip is there for the silver rank holders, and the 1.5% of daily royalty will be there, right? And the monthly incentive of 200 rupees up to 9 months will be received by that person who achieved this silver rank. After achieving the gold rank, a person should receive the laptop fund down 15,000 amount. Yes, from the company. Yeah, 4,000 rupees into the 4 parts will be given to that person. Next is domestic trip is there. Yeah, person is having the domestic trip, which is provided by the ZPay. 1.5% of the daily royalty will be received by that person who achieved this gold rank, right? Next, monthly incentive. Yeah, monthly incentive of 750 rupees up to 24 months will be received by that gold rank achiever person. Platinum rank. Yeah, after achieving this rank, platinum rank, a buy fund of down payment of 32,000. That is 8,000 amount into the 4 parts will be received by that person. Yeah, foreign trip is there. Yeah, everybody is having the dream to go to the foreign. So you can fulfill your dream from the ZPay, right? So ZPay is providing the foreign trip also to the user who achieved this platinum rank. So 1.5% of daily royalty will be received by that person, and the monthly incentive of 4,500 rupees up to 5 per month up to 5 years, right? Yes. Topaz rank. So after achieving the Topaz rank, the car fund of down payment 2 lakh rupee will be received by that person from this ZPay company. Yes, you fulfill your dream of buying the car from this ZPay. Yes. So 50,000 rupees into 4 parts will be given to that person. Yeah, foreign trip is there. Yeah, person. Foreign trip is also there for that person. 1.5% of daily royalty will be there. Yeah, monthly incentive of 18,750 up to 9 year will be received by that person who achieved this Topaz rank, right? Yes. So you can earn in many multiple ways from the ZPay. Ruby rank. So after achieving the Ruby rank, a luxury car, right? Luxury car or down payment 5 lakh rupee will be received by that person. That is 1.25 lakh rupee into 4 parts will be received by that person. Foreign trip is there. Yes, foreign trip facility is also there. 1.25% daily royalty will be received by that person along with the monthly incentive of 78,125 up to 12 years. Yes, ZPay is holding your hand lifetime, not day, months or years. Yeah, lifetime. So you receive this all amount after achieving the Ruby rank. Diamond rank. Yes, after joining the ZPay, everybody wants to become the diamond or everybody wants to achieve this diamond rank. So what's the benefit after achieving the diamond rank? So luxury house. Yes, luxury house of down payment of 12 lakh rupee. Yeah, company is providing the 12 lakh rupee to that person who achieved this diamond rank. Yes, 3 lakh rupee into the 4 parts will be received by that person. Yeah, 2 foreign trips yearly. Yes, you can enjoy with your family the 2 foreign trips yearly. Yeah, in a year, ZP's company providing the trip, yeah, yearly foreign trips twice in a year, right? So 1% daily royalty will be received by that person along with a monthly incentive of 3 lakh 12,500 up to 18 years. Yes, up to 18 years. That is never going to unhold your hands. That is holding your hand as you are holding the hand of ZPay. So highlights are there. So there are some highlights. Yes, reward fund and monthly incentive distribution will be in the second week of the next month. So if a person achieving his or her rank in this month, then definitely reward fund and incentive will be received by that person from the next month of the second week, right? So no need to worry. Registration is free. Registration totally free. 5% is deduction as per the government rule, right? Next is 15% reduction of emergency fund for the team support. Yeah, emergency fund, that is a Root Bandhan financial support and company event and management. Next is no admin charge. There is no kind of admin charge, right? Self fund wallet transfer. A person can do the self fund wallet transfer of 100 rupees minimum. So minimum bank withdrawal of 500 rupee. Yeah, if a person want to receive their withdrawal in the bank, so he or she can done the withdrawal of minimum 500 rupee. Minimum B2C transfer, yeah, person to person transfer of 50 rupees is there, yeah. Minimum 50 rupees a person can do the transfer to that another person. Withdrawal in 24 hours, yes, withdrawal in 24 hours. A person should receive their withdrawal in 24 hours. 24 into 7 customer support, yes, 24 into 7 customer support is there. So terms and condition apply, and as I can say that there is no any kind of terms and condition or any kind of foundation for the person who wants to join the ZPay and all. So next is income level will be distributed based on the count of direct referral. Yeah, income is generated based on the count of direct referral. For example, if you are having the direct referral of from 3 levels, then definitely your income is generated up to 3 level. And if you are having the direct referral up to 20th level, then definitely the income generated from all the levels, that is from all the 20th level. Yeah. All right reserved from the Z Bazaar Solution Private Limited. Yeah. All right reserved from the Z Bazaar Solution Private Limited. Z Bazaar Solution Private Limited is having all the rights and reserve. So good decision. Or if after listening the plan, a person is thinking that well, but if you are saying yes, then definitely if you are saying yes, and if you will do the hard work with the ZPay up to 6 to 10 months, definitely one day your all dream will be to come here from the ZPay. That is, you achieve the good life, good style, lifestyle, daily income, royalty income, time freedom, luxury car, dream house. Yes, you are able to buy the dream house just because ZPay is providing the down payment of house for purchasing the house, right? Family security, yes, family security is also there, right? National trips, foreign trips, award and awards. So these all are the facilities you achieve by saying the yes or by joining the ZPay, right? So yes, thank you so much all for giving me this time. Just because in this, because the time is very much important, and if a person is giving you the time, then definitely he is giving the most important thing of his life. So heartily, I am very very thankful to all of you who are present here and who are listening me as a teacher today. So definitely, I think I'm explaining the ZPay plan in a very clearful manner. So thank you so much. Thank you so much to all. I can say that thank you to my management that this plan is created by them to fulfill the dream of the common people and to become millionaire or the billionaires, right? Just because ZPay is providing the facility to earn more and more, to earn. There are many types of income as I already told in the plan. So thank you again. Thank you so much all for giving me this precious time, and I heartily thank you to you all. So I can say that ZPay is a kind of platform that wants to break the unemployment, right? That wants to break the chain of the poverty. So ZPay is a great platform, and definitely I'm very lucky here that ZPay is here in our UP team for providing such a great platform to all the users all over the India, right? So my best wishes are also with you to fulfill all your dreams and definitely to earn more and more from that way and to learn more and more from this that way. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, bro. Thank you.
Thank you, Meenakshi. Then very good manner. So, as per this other plan, what are the
Kanchan ma'am, your voice is not clear. It's very slowly.
now it is clear?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Better.
Okay, thank you, Meenakshi. Thank you. You are explained our plan in a very good manner. I hope that everyone has understood this plan. So, what are you waiting for? Become a member of our family and earn source of income from this wonderful concept of our. Thank you, Meenakshi ma'am. You explained it very well, and thank you all the leaders who gave their time. Nazir sir, if you want to discuss in Telugu, so continue.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure, sure, sure. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much to invite me. Myself, Nazir from Andhra Pradesh. Already I'm working as a 6 months in this app, earning good income. Then I have a great,
జర్పే వేసుకున్నారా మీరు
great
మీరు
opportunity.
జర్పే వాడుతున్నారా
Okay. Then,
ఇప్పుడు గూగుల్
వాస్తవానికి
పే ఫోన్పే
ఏంటంటే
ఉంటుంది కదా
నేను
అట్లా
ముందే
జర్పే
చెప్పాను
ఉంటుంది
ఇంగ్లీష్
అది
కొంచెం
వాడుతున్నారా మీరు
తడబడుతున్నానని తెలుగులో ఎవరైనా ఉండి
వేసుకో
మీరు
దాంట్లో
अगर
మనకు
से कोई
డబ్బులు
हिंदी में बात करना चाह रहा हूँ या मतलब तेलुगु
మనం
में
రీఛార్జ్ చేస్తాం కదా
लैंग्वेजेस
రీఛార్జ్లు రీఛార్జ్ అవన్నీ దేంట్లో చేసుకోవాలి
कौन सी भी लैंग्वेज यस यस कौन सी भी लैंग्वेज में क्यों ना हो
కొత్త అంటే
अगर से बात
సంవత్సరం
करना
అయింది
चाह रहे तो हैंड रेस करिए सर या मेरे इधर लैंग्वेज में तेलुगु
చాట్ బ్యాక్
Yes sir, yes
कुछ
sir.
हाँ।
आप लोग कंटिन्यू कर सकते
నాకు
हैं.
మళ్ళీ
Yes sir.
15 రోజులు వస్తుంది
नागराज सर, वंशी
Yes,
सर,
मैं वही
बालाजी नायक सर, आप डिस्कस कर सकते हैं सर. जी सर.
यस 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 मैम
जी सर.
Okay.
చేసినట్టు ఒక
I invite Vamshi sir, the great leader, the great motivator, the already YouTuber. He has a lot of team. He earn good income for a day. Sir, welcome, sir. Welcome. Welcome to Techno family. Vamshi sir.
అంటే ఇది కూడా సేమ్ నార్మలే ఉంటుంది
Nagaraj garu.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, Nazir sir.
జడి
First of all, my heartfelt thanks to the three MDs who gave us all such a good opportunity for financial freedom. And also I am very much thanks to my upliner Nazir Anna, who told me about this plan and showed me the right path. And also I am very much thanks to my all warriors team. Also on behalf of everyone, I would like to thanks Meenakshi ma'am, who has spent her time for all of us and explained the plan to us in detail. I will tell everyone one thing, you all know about the God does not directly give us money. He gives us opportunities. We should use those opportunities to achieve everything we want in our life. Such an opportunity is now in front of us in the form of JetPay. So hoping that all of you will also take the advantage of this wonderful opportunity and gain financial freedom in our life, in your life. So thank you to all for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Have a great day to everyone. Thank you sir, Nazir sir, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Super. Sir, another person I invite Nagaraj Garu, Dr. Nagaraj Garu. Welcome, sir. Welcome. The great motivator. Already.
Thank you very much.
కాలేజెస్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ చేసుకుంటూ ఈ యొక్క యాప్ను మంచిగా బిల్డ్ చేస్తున్నారు. వెల్కమ్ సార్ డాక్టర్ నాగరాజ్ గారు.
Thank you very much, Nazir sir. Thank you, Kanchan madam. Thank you, Meenakshi madam. Thank you, management. Thank you to all my downline leaders and upliner leaders. Thank you to all. This is very good opportunity, very best opportunity. And Kanchan madam, your Meenakshi madam, your this presentation is very best, very wonderful. Thank you to you and Kanchan madam. Thank you to you also, madam.
Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Thank you, madam. JetPay is wonderful and best concept to all. Thank you to our 3 stars management. I am Dr. Nagaraj Gold, Punutula, Chairman of Vani Vidyalayam Group of Institutions and advocate also. I am doing JetPay from 3 months, 3-4 months. I have 7,000 plus team. I am doing my JetPay and I am doing well my downline teams. Thank you very much. Thank you Najib sir. Thank you Vamshi sir. My dynamic leaders from Andhra Pradesh, from Ummadi Andhra Pradesh. Vamshi Krishna sir, Najib sir, Rajit sir. To all leaders, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Yes.
करके हमारा टीम को भी हम उसको काम में लगाए, तो हमें इसके लिए सुनना पड़ेगा। और मैं कहूँगा ये जूम सेशन में लगातार आना ये एक कहते कि तपस्या की तरह होता है। यहाँ पे जितने आप सुनेंगे स्टूडेंट की एटीट्यूड बने रहेंगे तो इतनी बड़ी टीचर बन पाएंगे। जब तक हम स्टूडेंट नहीं बनेंगे तब तक टीचर नहीं बन पाएंगे। और खास करके नेटवर्क इंडस्ट्री में हमें टीचर बनना पड़ेगा। टीच नहीं करेंगे, अपॉर्चुनिटी को टीच नहीं करेंगे लोगों को। देखिए हम कोई चीज लोगों को बताते हैं तो हम वहाँ पे टीच करें। जैसे मैडम यहाँ पे हमें बता रहे हैं तो मैडम यहाँ पे टीच करें।
ఈ శాలరీలకు వచ్చే 15,000 18,000 ఏం
लोगों को समझाएंगे नहीं, पढ़ाएंगे नहीं पास, तब तक काम आगे बढ़ेगा नहीं। लेकिन पढ़ाने के लिए हमें सीखना पड़ता है। कहते कि सीख के हवाई जहाज चला जा सकता है, लेकिन बिना सीखे साइकिल भी नहीं चला सकता है ना। तो बिना सीखे कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता है। और इंग्लिश में ऐसा एक कहावत है, देयर विल बी नो अर्निंग विदाउट लर्निंग, है ना। जब अगर हम लर्न नहीं करते तो और नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि लर्न एंड अर्न के बीच में ज्यादा फर्क नहीं। एक एल ही लगा हुआ है, एल। तो ये एल जो है ये लर्न की तरफ जाता है और शिक्षा में लव होना चाहिए। एल फॉर लव भी होता है। जब तक हम इस प्लान को लव नहीं करेंगे, इस एजुकेशन सिस्टम को लव नहीं करेंगे, तो हमें इसकी कोई भी मतलब परिभाषा हमें पता नहीं चलता। और जेपे के लिए मैं क्या कहूँ, जेपे के लिए तो जितना भी कहूँ बहुत कम है, जितने भी तारीफ किया जाए बहुत कम है। इसके अंदर इतनी चीज भरा हुआ है, मैनेजमेंट से लेके क्रिएटर से लेके एमडी परपोर्ट से लेके सारे के सारे लीडर से लेके सब बहुत कोऑपरेटिव है। और मुझे लगता है कि मेरे जो 27 साल का जो करियर मैंने इस नेटवर्क इंडस्ट्री में दिया है, आज उसकी सक्सेस हमें इस जेडपे के अंदर मिलने वाला है ना। एक बहुत से क्रिस्टल एंड क्लियर कंसेप्ट है, बहुत से सिस्टम है इसमें। कहने के लिए तो मेरे पास बहुत कुछ शब्द है, लेकिन मैं ड्यूटी में बैठा हूँ तो थोड़ा सा उतनी कंफर्ट नहीं हूँ कि मैं थोड़ा सा उतना ज़्यादा मैं बोल पाऊँ। लेकिन मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि कभी कभी सेशन में आके मैं भी कुछ शब्द रख पाऊंगा, क्योंकि भगवान ने भी मेरे अंदर वो काबिलियत दिए हैं कि मैं थोड़ी सी आप लोग जैसे बातें करते हैं मैं भी थोड़ी सी बातें इसे भी कर सकता हूँ। लेकिन अभी फिलहाल मेरी जो सिचुएशन है जहाँ पे ड्यूटी की सीट पे बैठा हूँ, थोड़ा सा कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ। लेकिन जो मीटिंग मैडम करते हैं इंग्लिश में हो, हिंदी में हो, और आप लोग जो तेलुगु में करते हैं, सारे के सारे जो भी सब सुपर से सुपर है। किसी को मैं सुपर नहीं कहूँगा, सुपर से ऊपर है, सुपर से डुपर है। थैंक यू, आपने मुझे तो बोलने के लिए मौका दिया। थैंक यू सर, ओवर टू यू सर। थैंक यू
सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच। ग्रेट स्पीच। कुछ ये हो जाएगा, इंटरनेट बंद होगा, लेकिन भगवान कृपा हुई कि सर आपने तो देखिए काबिलियत यही होता है। दिन जीत लेते हैं। थैंक यू सर, लाइन आपने बोली थी। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच मैडम जी। आप आवाज आ रही है मैडम मेरी?
जी जी सर, आ रही है।
जेन्युइन टावर का कुछ इश्यू था इसलिए ओके। किसी को थैंक यू मैडम, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
So welcome sir.
End of this session.
Should I wind up the session today, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Definitely, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Ready to all the best. Jai Hind.